This video shows how to make a screen recording on your iPad. This is useful for many things, including making videos to show others what you're doing with KeyScore. To begin, bring up the iPad Control Center by dragging your finger from the upper right corner of the screen down to the middle of the screen. In the Control Center, you should see the Screen Recording button. If you don't, you can turn it on in the Settings app, and we have another video linked from this one that shows how to do that. It's important to make sure the microphone is enabled for screen recording. Tap and hold the screen recording button, and the options will pop up. If the microphone is off, just tap it to turn it on, and tap away to return to the Control Center. Simply tap the record button, and you can use your iPad any way you wish, including using KeyScore, and the iPad will make a video of it. When you're done, bring up the Control Center again and tap the record button to stop screen recording. There we have a little message from the iPad that our recording is available in the Photos app. And that's it.